Kamusta? Heto ang medal tally ng 19th Asian Games Hangzhou 2022 as of October 5, 2023, 10 p.m. China 178 gold, 99 silver, 55 bronze. Japan 44 gold, 53 silver, 60 bronze. South Korea 33 gold, 47 silver, 77 bronze. India 21 gold, 32 silver, 33 bronze. Uzbekistan 19 gold, 16 silver, 25 bronze. Chinese Taipei 15 gold, 15 silver, 23 bronze. North Korea 10 gold, 16 silver, 9 bronze. Thailand 10 gold, 14 silver, 27 bronze. Bahrain 10 gold, 2 silver, 5 bronze. Iran 8 gold, 17 silver, 17 bronze. Kazakhstan 8 gold, 15 silver, 38 bronze. Hong Kong 7 gold, 16 silver, 29 bronze. Indonesia 6 gold, 10 silver, 17 bronze. Malaysia 5 gold, 6 silver, 17 bronze. Qatar 5 gold, 6 silver, 3 bronze. Singapore 3 gold, 6 silver, 6 bronze. Saudi Arabia 3 gold, 2 silver, 2 bronze. Kyrgyzstan 3 gold, 0 silver, 5 bronze. United Arab Emirates 2 gold, 4 silver, 5 bronze. Vietnam 2 gold, 3 silver, 16 bronze. Kuwait 2 gold, 3 silver, 3 bronze. Philippines 2 gold, 2 silver, 10 bronze. Tajikistan 2 gold, 1 silver, 4 bronze. Mongolia 1 gold, 4 silver, 9 bronze. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Macau, China 1 gold, 2 silver, 2 bronze. Sri Lanka 1 gold, 2 silver, 2 bronze. Myanmar 1 gold, 0 silver, 1 bronze. Jordan 0 gold, 3 silver, 1 bronze. Turkmenistan 0 gold, 1 silver, 4 bronze. Oman 0 gold, 1 silver, 1 bronze. Pakistan 0 gold, 1 silver, 1 bronze. Brunei 0 gold, 1 silver, 0 bronze. Afghanistan 0 gold, 0 silver, 4 bronze. Laos 0 gold, 0 silver, 3 bronze. Iraq 0 gold, 0 silver, 2 bronze. Bangladesh 0 gold, 0 silver, 1 bronze. Lebanon 0 gold, 0 silver, 1 bronze. Palestine 0 gold, 0 silver, 1 bronze. Syria 0 gold, 0 silver, 1 bronze. Narito ang ibang team participants ng 19th Asian Games Hangzhou 2022. Bhutan, Cambodia, East Timor, Maldives, Nepal at Yemen. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.